The right lighting doesn't just brighten a space, it defines it. It makes a kitchen richer, a showroom more inviting, a project unforgettable. Projects move fast. Every hour counts. Preparing lighting on site takes time that could be used where it counts the most. Normally, lighting arrives as a job to do. With the Häfele Lighting cut-to-order service, it arrives as a job done. Just log into your MyHäfele account and use our lighting configurator to enter the exact lengths and profiles you need. Available 24/7. We'll cut, connect, test, and pack it for you. Delivered direct to site. Everything you need as you need it. Whether you need 1 or 100, every order arrives precise and ready to go. No minimum order quantity, no waste, no tools, no on-site fixes. Just lighting that fits straight out the box, saving you time and energy on every project. Need a little more support? Submit your plans to our expert lighting design team for a complete solution. Häfele Service Plus, expert support to make your life easier.